Hey guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be testing out the new Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Well, it's new here, but it's been around the block abroad. I'm quite excited to try this out. The colors look quite beautiful just upon first glance. I'm going to move it a little bit closer to you guys so that we can actually look at this together, because I'm just doing my eyes in this video. So this is the palette over here. It's the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and about 4 colors or 5 colors actually really appealed to me, which is why I think, or appealed to quite a few people. I think that's why it's been reviewed so often. I try to Pinterest like what looks people have created with the palette, and this very like subtle sort of look, so I think I'm gonna sort of head in that direction with this look as well. I do need to prep my eyes, so I'm just going in with my concealer and I'm just applying this all over my lids just as a nice base. I'm gonna set that concealer with a powder, so I'm just gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the shade called shit, I don't know which one to start with. I'm gonna start with the shade called Coral Punch, which is this one over here, and we're gonna see how this applies in my crease area. The only frustrating thing about palettes like this, where the eyeshadows don't have an actual pan that they dip into, is that I feel like I'm mixing shades together when I'm moving my brush around. So you have to be a little bit careful when picking up product so that you don't get other colors in to the mix, unless that's what you want. Next up, I'm going to go in with the shade Lemonade Craze, which is the yellow. I was confused between these two shades as to which one I should actually use first. I'm going to go in with Ice Pop, which is this vibrant pink, and I'm going to take this into my crease. And I'm sort of just going to place it in there and take it across as well. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what look I'm doing. I'm just doing a look. I'm not going to take the shade Old Fashioned, which is this really dark brown. It's just taking a little bit long because this brown isn't as pigmented as I thought it would be. It's having difficulty showing up on top of the pink. I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. So there is my crease cut. I'm gonna take that shade called Old Fashioned, it's that dark brown, and I'm just gonna tidy up the edges here. Right in the inside of my eye, I think that's where I'm gonna go in with the yellow and place this. Oh no. I washed my brushes before doing this video, so they are still quite wet. So I'm taking a brush I normally wouldn't use. Is this working? Is this working out? So I'm gonna go in with the shade called Sugar Coated at the top here. I'm I'm gonna go with my Urban Decay 24/7 pencil. I'm gonna take the shade Coral Punch and take this on my lower. I'm then gonna take Old Fashioned and mimic what I just did. I'm gonna line my eyes with my Revolution Black Felt Liner. Never tried it before, so ready to try it today. That liner is gorgeous. I like that the felt tip is quite sturdy. It's not difficult to maneuver. I'm gonna take my MAC Up For Everything Lash Mascara and coat my lashes. I've been enjoying this mascara. It is so bomb. I mean, I've forgotten how good MAC mascaras are. I did say I wanted to take the yellow from Lemonade Craze and put it in my inner corner instead of like a shimmer, so I'm gonna try that. I may have swapped these lashes around. I think I'm using the one for the left on the right and the right on the left. I don't know. I have this NYX vinyl lip gloss that looks interesting. It appears to me like it would look like it should be a matte. I think I'm gonna go in with my Iman nude color. I haven't worn this in ages. I'm taking my NYX lip pencil in, I don't know. And there you have it. This, you guys, is the finished look of me using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I don't know, I tried to use most of the colors, I guess. Oh wait, there are some other shimmers here. I think I'm gonna try and use these to highlight again. I've already highlighted, but I think I'll do it again. I'm gonna use the shade Main Squeeze to make this cheek pop. I don't think it's a highlight. Oh, it could be. Let me just take this into my temples. A lot of looks I've seen with this palette are pink and yellow toned. I tried with the yellow when I did the cut crease. I thought that would help if I had like a base on before putting the yellow, but I messed up because I used a wet brush and it sort of just messed up the whole base, so I had to just really start from scratch. I used the shade Sugar Coated on my cut crease. It did help in this instance that my brush was wet, my synthetic flat brush, because it made that appear so crisp and foily on the lid, which I think is absolutely stunning. And then I did put a little bit of the yellow in my inner corner for the yellowness to come through a little bit. But yeah, I didn't want to do a pink look again, obviously, because I've been doing pink looks a lot of the time. But that is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested, if you guys have heard about this palette before, if you want to pick it up. That's why I've heard about it so much that especially from Nikki tutorials, that's the reason why I really wanted to try it out and do a video on it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.